So we got our dirt delivered today, but we did one load and the wheelbarrow broke. So we have to figure out how to fix that. So exciting.
Do you know?
Find some sticks here. Our neighbors just had their siding done, so we got lucked out with the cardboard. We've made a pretty good dent in this so far. Not bad. Our neighbor saw us struggling and so graciously gave us her wheelbarrow to use. There we go. Okay guys, that's the end of day one. We got an okay amount done. See you on day two. My goodness. Hi, Jersey. Hi, Rocky. Good boy. Oh my goodness. This garden has been so exhausting. Rocky's eating some grass. So we decided to rip that smaller one down because we thought that we were ready to do this bigger garden. Not exactly sure how big it is. Where's your ball? Where'd it go? Bring me your ball. Anyways, we had some dirt dropped off, but it was just strictly dirt. So today the girls and I went and picked up quite a few bags of black earth, and we're going to add that on top, and then we will plant the starts that we have. And it's kind of getting into the late season of the year. By the time you watch this, this is already probably like a week ago. But we have quite a few plants near the dirt, and then we have a bunch more in the side yard. A lot of them are going to come back next year. Do you see a squirrel? So we have 2 blueberry plants, a raspberry, 2 strawberry, but I think there's quite a few plants within that strawberry plant, so we can definitely split those all up. We have some squash, cilantro, mint, but I don't think we're gonna plant mint in this garden as it does take over quite a bit. What else do we have? I'm not sure what else we have. But remember how in the spring I was like, oh yeah, we're gonna plant a garden from that tree all the way down. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy we decided to just start with this spot up here. And we decided to start with this spot up here because the sun is here almost the entire day. So basically all full sun plants are going to be up here. Okay, that's it for today. We're gonna wait to do that. This weekend we are going to put the posts in the ground to get the fence up, and then we need to create a cute little gate for here. I can't wait.